Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up database access PostgreSQL in Claude via MCP. One of the most powerful features of the Model Context Protocol, MCP, is the ability to connect Claude to external databases such as PostgreSQL. Once configured correctly, Claude can securely interact with your database through the MCP server, allowing it to inspect database schemas, query tables, analyze data, and assist with database-related tasks. Before Claude can communicate with a PostgreSQL database, the MCP server must be configured with the correct connection information. This typically involves editing the database connection settings so that they point to your own PostgreSQL server instead of the default example values. The first step is to open your terminal. Once your terminal is open, paste the MCP setup command or prompt you have for configuring the PostgreSQL MCP server. Run the command by pressing Enter. The terminal will begin executing the setup process. After a few moments, you will see a block of configuration text or a list of settings displayed on the screen. This configuration contains the information that the MCP server uses to establish a connection with your PostgreSQL database. Carefully look through the configuration until you find the section that contains the PostgreSQL connection information. You will usually see a line or configuration entry that references PostgreSQL or a PostgreSQL connection string. Instead of leaving the default or placeholder values, replace that line with your actual PostgreSQL database details. These details typically include information such as the database host or server address, the database port, the database name, your PostgreSQL username, your PostgreSQL password, any additional connection parameters required by your environment. It is important to enter these values exactly as they are configured for your PostgreSQL server. Even a small mistake, such as an incorrect database name or password, can prevent the MCP server from connecting successfully. After updating the PostgreSQL connection details, save the configuration file. Saving the configuration ensures that the MCP server will use your updated database information the next time it starts. Once the changes have been saved, launch Claude again. Restarting Claude causes it to reload the MCP configuration and attempt to establish a connection using the PostgreSQL details you just provided. If the configuration is correct and your PostgreSQL server is running and accessible, Claude should be able to communicate with the database through the MCP server. It is important to understand that Claude does not connect directly to PostgreSQL. Instead, it communicates with the MCP server, which acts as a secure intermediary between Claude and your database. Common reasons why a PostgreSQL MCP server may fail to connect include incorrect database host or IP address, wrong username or password, incorrect database name, PostgreSQL not running, firewall or network restrictions, typographical errors in the configuration file. To summarize, setting up PostgreSQL database access in Claude through MCP begins by opening your terminal and running the MCP setup command. Once the configuration appears, locate the PostgreSQL connection section and replace the default connection information with your own database details, including the correct host, database name, username, password, and other required settings. After saving the updated configuration, restart Claude so it reloads the MCP server using the new PostgreSQL connection information. By correctly configuring your PostgreSQL connection and ensuring your database server is accessible, Claude can securely communicate with your database through the MCP server. This enables Claude to assist with database exploration, schema analysis, querying, and many other PostgreSQL-related tasks while keeping the connection managed through the MCP framework. And that's how to set up PostgreSQL database access in Claude using MCP. By updating the PostgreSQL connection settings with your own database information, saving the configuration, and restarting Claude, you can successfully connect your database through MCP and unlock powerful database capabilities within Claude. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.